Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete your account in Marvel Snap. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this method works the same for you. This method works both the same on Android and iPhone, and also works on PC if you're playing on PC as me. So yeah guys, you do not have to worry what kind of phone you have. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. Guys, after entering the application, as you can see, I'm currently on PC. If you want to learn how to play this game on PC, then watch our other video where we explain how to install Marvel Snap on your PC, so you can play whenever you want on your PC and not on your phone. But yeah guys, after entering the application and logging into your account or creating an account, if you do not already have one, you'll be greeted by this main page here after playing a couple of games. As you can see here guys, here are all of the options that you have, such as the main page. You have your season pass option, the news option, collection, and shop option. And as you can see here guys, here is nowhere to delete your account. So if you want, you guys, if you're sure you want to delete your account, then you have to go here in the upper left corner and click on the settings option. This will open up the settings option, and you want to scroll down all the way down until you find the option that's called delete account. So guys, you want to go ahead, and if you're sure you want to do this, go ahead and click on delete account. Here you will be prompted by this prompt where you will have to say that you agree with all of this. Then you will just click next, and after clicking next, then you will be able to delete your account. Just confirm that you want to delete your account, and you will then delete your account and you will not be able to get it back. But yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.